Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Coinbase limit orders for better entry prices. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Coinbase account and log in to your profile. Navigate to the trade section found in the main menu. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to trade. Click on the buy button to begin the transaction process. Look for the option that says limit order. Enter the price at which you want to buy the cryptocurrency. Specify the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to acquire. Review the details of your limit order for accuracy. Confirm the order by clicking on the Place Order button. Your limit order will now be active and visible in your account. Monitor your order status from the Orders section of your profile. You will receive a notification once your limit order is executed. Make sure to check your account for any price updates regularly. If needed, you can modify or cancel your limit order at any time. Utilizing limit orders helps you secure better entry prices for your trades. This strategy can enhance your overall trading experience on Coinbase. Now you're ready to take advantage of limit orders on Coinbase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.